how to use YouTube TV family sharing. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use YouTube TV for family sharing. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is open up YouTube TV website on your PC or laptop. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on your profile icon, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Then you have to click on settings. After that, you have to click on family sharing. As I haven't signed up for my account yet, but here you can see that you can share it with up to 5 people. So what you have to do is just sign up, and after that, you will be able to share your account with your friends or family members. So that's how you can use YouTube TV for family sharing. That's all for this video.